Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. On the left side, we have the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, and on the right side, we have the SUVCON Dash Cam. Get ready for some epic showdowns between these two contenders. Let's kick things off with the price. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes in at a cool $129, while the SUVCON Dash Cam is priced a bit higher at $199. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to save some bucks whenever I can. So point goes to Garmin for being budget-friendly. Next up, let's talk about design. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is as discreet as it gets. It's so tiny that it hides behind your rearview mirror like a ninja. On the other hand, the SUVCON Dash Cam takes a different approach with a triple camera setup, capturing both inside and outside the car. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your vehicle. This round is a tie because it all depends on your preference. Time to talk video quality. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 boasts a wide 140-degree lens that records crisp 1080p video with Garmin Clarity HDR optics. That means you'll get clear footage day and night. Meanwhile, the SUVCON Dash Cam impresses with its IPS panel screen, providing a clear picture from any angle. It's like having a mini IMAX in your car. Another tie because both cameras offer impressive visuals. Let's dive into the features. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 offers voice control, allowing you to save videos, start-stop audio recording, and even take still pictures with just a few spoken commands. Plus, it automatically uploads saved videos to a secure online vault for easy viewing and sharing. On the other hand, the SUVCON Dash Cam comes equipped with a G sensor and parking monitor, ensuring your car is always protected even when parked. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your vehicle. Another tie because both cameras bring some great features to the table. Last but not least, let's talk about ease of use. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is super easy to set up and use. It's a plug-and-play device, making installation a breeze. The SUVCON Dash Cam follows suit with its straightforward installation process and user-friendly key settings. It's like they both took a crash course in simplicity. Another tie because both cameras make life easy for us. While both cameras have their strengths, it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Remember to do your research and choose the one that suits you best. And that's a wrap, folks. It's been an exciting showdown between the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the SUVCON Dash Cam. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we've got your back when it comes to making smart purchases. Stay smart, folks.